Assalamu alaikum. This is a simple puzzle in which we have to use square of natural number to make out of our way to this puzzle. So when square is basically when we multiply the number with same number with itself, then we get its square. Means 7 into 7 get 49. So we start with 81, which is a square of 9. We move to 49, which is a square of 7. And next in the line is definitely we have 36, which is a square of 6. To its right, we have square of 5, which is 25. And towards the downside, we have 4. 4 is a square of 2. And on its right, we have 100, square of 10. And next, we have 9, which is a square of 3. And eventually, we make our way out of this puzzle by taking one. One is itself square. So we use this path to follow this path to make our way out of this puzzle. Thanks for watching.